Today I would like to introduce you our mini Wallpack lines. So you can see from here, this is our mini Wallpack lines. It can do with the photo-cell sensor, PIR sensor. Which type of the sensor you need, you just let us know. We can produce for you. And this is the LED chip inside of this part, LED chip. This is the lens. This type of the Wallpack is built with die-casting aluminum heatsink here. And we have the waterproof plug for here. Also, when you install this type of the Wallpack, it is very quick and convenient. So we can see from here, this is the mounting place. You can just use 2 screws, put this part into the wall, and it can finish install. And also in the back, we can use the traditional Wallpack mounting solution to mount it. The wires, we can come out from the top, or we can come out from the bottom if you need. The photocell sensor, we can put in here and also can put in the top. Right now in the future we will put more in the top so that it will sensor much more better than this side. The Wallpack lamp, we produce 26 watt and 30 watt. If you want 18 watt, 12 watt, we can also do it. You just let us know. For the color temperature, we do 3000K, 4000K, 5000K, and 5700K or 6500K. But the hot selling item is the 5000K. So if you need the different color temperature, you just contact with our sales. Thank you.